Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video it will be about render and I'll provide you an update since my last video that I made about 2.5 months ago. Since then I discussed about other tokens and you can check my channels to see what I'm talking about. And I think that this token deserves our attention again. In the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video, I'll also discuss about Bitcoin status because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space, including render. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 14 May 2024 and right now render it is at about 9.98 US dollars. The market cap it is around 3.88 billion US dollars and it's situated on 25 position here on CoinMarketCap, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 646.78 million US dollars and it's situated on 19 position here on CoinMarketCap. I believe that by market cap and the volume in the last 24 hours it is situated very well on this platform, and also this token RNDR has a lot of potential if you ask me. Okay, and what exactly it is render? Render network it is a peer-to-peer network that rents out idle GPU power to content creators and AI applications where transactions are processed securely and transparently using the blockchain and smart contracts. The RNDR token it is a native token of render network and it is used to pay for rendering jobs on the platform. Render network it's backed by a cloud rendering company. It pulls dormant GPU power and creates a marketplace where individuals and entities or creators can leverage its dormant power to process high quality graphics, train AI models and more. Render network offers creators scalability, privacy and security and transparency using proof of render to manage the validation process for a delivered job and the remuneration for each node operator. Node operators are paid in RNDR tokens, the project native token, of course, for completing a job. RNDR also serves as a governance token of the project and it's currently on the rise to the interest in the AI narrative. As you will see on CoinMarketCap, RNDR it is AI project, and AI projects gaming are very on fire right now alongside with other type of tokens. Okay, and let's discuss on TradingView. On the chart we have RNDR paired with USDT at 1 day, and the chart it is from KuCoin. And since the last fall of 2023 when Bitcoin started to pump, I'll put here the chart to see what I'm talking about. Also RNDR started to pump, and if I put BTC USD chart over here, you can see since the September or October last year most altcoins started to pump just because Bitcoin started to pump. And let's have a measurement since the last fall to the recent top, and we have an increase of 978% in 200 days. Okay, that is very impressive in this period of time to have this pump. And overall increases I measured in my previous video. I put you a link into description down below and see what I'm talking about. But let's discuss more recent price action for now and see what's the status. 20 daily SMA it is 9.27, 50 daily SMA it is 9.31, and today as you can see here we have this big red candle. We have this drop that only the body of this candle it is minus 10.82% right now, excluding these wicks that are above and below. And right now as I told you, the price movement since let's see here 1st May 2024, so in the last couple of weeks it is bullish. It is in uptrend despite the fact that today we have this dump. If the price will continue to drop, I believe that the 20 and 50 daily simple moving averages can be an important support right now. If I put here 100 daily simple moving average to see what's the status, you can see that since the last fall 100 daily simple moving average can be an important support. It almost tested here on 23 January 2024 and generally stayed above. And if I put this here, you can see that the candle stayed above this level since more exactly the beginning of October last year. Okay, and we can see that here on 30 April, 1st May, and almost till 3 May, we had those candles that went below this 100 daily simple moving average. We have also two big wicks that went below on 12 April and also 13 April this year. But overall status, it is that candles are above this level, and everything for now looks okay. If we put also the 200 daily simple moving average, you can see that also can be considered an important support. Right now, 200 daily SMA, it is 6.21. And the price, of course, stayed above this level since last fall, since October 2023, as 100 daily SMA stood. Okay, let's look on other indicators, and for this we can use the stochastic RSI and RSI. Right now, stochastic RSI, it is in overbought area. At the first glance looks bullish. We have this downtrend movement. As you can see, we have this big red candle that I discussed about it today. RSI right now, it is in a small retracement. It's testing its own moving average, but overall trend, it is upwards since let's see, the end of April this year. So at the first glance, my conclusion, it is that both stochastic RSI and RSI in the last day, both are in retracement. We can be on our eyes on both of them in the last days and see what's going on, if they continue the bullish momentum that both of them have right now. If we look on a weekly, we can see that stochastic RSI, it is looking bearish. It is in oversold area. We have this small turn upwards, but we don't know if this momentum will continue or not. And RSI, it is in downtrend. It was in the overbought area in last time at the middle of March this year. But right now the trend, it is clearly downwards, and it is below its own moving average. And if we put here the 20 weekly simple moving average, we can see if the price movement, it is bullish or bearish. I personally consider this simple but powerful indicator, 20 weekly simple moving average, an important one that tells us if the price momentum, it is bullish or bearish. And right now you can see that the price, it is well above this level. Actual price, it is 9.99, and the 20 weekly simple moving average, it is 7.89. So it took it as a support, this level, from 16 October last year. So since Bitcoin started to pump. Okay, and it is good to know that the price, it is above this level. And also, if we put here the 50 weekly simple moving average, let's see what's going on here. The price, it is above this level also. 50 weekly SMA, it is 4.55, so it is even below the 200 daily simple moving average, if you remember the number from daily analysis. And it tested as a support in the August last year, and right now it is above this level also. So price momentum, as conclusion, both on daily and weekly, looks bullish, despite the fact that stochastic RSI and RSI are bearish. The price momentum, it is still bullish, and I believe that it is an advantage on weekly, the fact that stochastic RSI and RSI are both looking bearish right now, because if stochastic RSI momentum continue upwards, we will see some impressive movement from this token. I don't know, it all depends also on the Bitcoin. It all depends on the news on the market. It depends on multiple factors, but if the Bitcoin will try again to test the at least 70k, or maybe the previous all-time high that was almost 74k, I believe that this token will increase even more in price, and we will see some spectacular movement. Okay, and let's compare also the performance of RNDR against Bitcoin, and let's put it here, RNDR BTC, and I'll choose the chart from Binance, for example. And as you can see, since November 2029 till June 2022, we have a drop of, let's see, almost 90% in 210 days. Okay, but after that, from June 2022 till now, clearly render performed better than Bitcoin. So we have this increase overall of 1,212% in 630 days. Clearly the trend since June 2022, it is upwards. So render performed better than Bitcoin. It's one of the few tokens it seems that perform better. General, the trend you can see it is downwards, and most altcoins had a price that it is below the 20 weekly simple moving average. But if I put here the 20 weekly simple moving average, you can see that most of the time stood above this level. So render paired with Bitcoin at 1 week shows us that render performed better than Bitcoin in the period that I mentioned. That it is very, very clearly what's going on here. If you have other examples with tokens that performs similarly or even better than this, you can leave them in a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, and that's the whole situation about render. This is a very promising project if you ask me. Like I told you, AI, gaming, and other tokens, meme coins and others are on fire right now. Maybe we didn't had yet the altcoin season, but it probably will have in the beginning of 2025 or till the end of 2025. I don't know exactly when the altcoin season will start. But one thing is for sure, we had the Bitcoin halving, and if we see the pattern that happened in 2021, most likely in the beginning of 2025 we'll have another altcoin season. That's my personal opinion. This is not a financial advice. I just tell my personal thoughts, and that's all. And let's discuss a little bit about Bitcoin. Today 14 May 2024, and right now Bitcoin it is at 61.3k. We have this descending channel that it is still in and that I discussed in my previous videos. So Bitcoin still holds above 60k, and I believe this is a good thing. If the Bitcoin price will go below 60k, I believe that it will be tested 57k as support, and if will go even downtrend, I believe the 54.5k will be another support. And the fear ingredient index, it is right now 55. We are in a neutral for the last couple of weeks. Bitcoin dominance, it is an increase since the last days. We have 53.9%. Few days ago was around 53.3%. So this is a slight increase over the last days. Okay guys, that's the whole situation on render on Bitcoin. What do you think about render? Do you have in your portfolio? Do you believe this token will perform more impressively in the next altcoin season? Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me your thoughts about this. Thank you guys for joining me here today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and till next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.